Icarus Plumbing was once a thriving business. They had more work than they could handle. One day, things started to slow down. They had plumbers just sitting around. So Icarus went online and started buying leads. Many of these leads turned into paying jobs. So Icarus Plumbing decided to expand. They bought more leads and added more trucks. A giant amongst men, Icarus Plumbing seemed to be able to do no wrong. Then one day, things started to slow down again. But now, with many plumbers and many trucks, the need for leads was desperate. Icarus went to speak with the people and asked, "Why will you not buy from me anymore?" The people said, "Who are you?" "I am Icarus of Icarus Plumbing. I am your plumber. You are my existing customer." One man said, "Why would I call you for plumbing when nothing is broken? I am not an existing customer. I am a previous customer. If I'm in need of your services, I'll consider my options at that time, not before." Wisely, Icarus said, "Until then, let us be friends." Icarus Plumbing once flew too close to the sun and almost lost everything. But now, Icarus enjoys a thriving business, humbly serving his many friends and loved ones.